Now, here's meteorologist Pete Mangione with your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
All right, looks like fun. Thanks, Maury. And we will be looking at some much nicer outdoor weather today, especially when you compare it to yesterday. Now, we received some questions about that snow yesterday. Has that ever happened before so late in the year? Well, the answer is yes, it has, but it is fairly rare. Let's look at some numbers here. These were actually put together by meteorologist TJ Del Santo. Now, check this out. May 9th and 10th, 1977, not April, May. This was known as the Mother's Day storm. 7 inches of snow on May 9th and 10th. Unbelievable there. April 29th, 1916, 3.5 inches of snow. And of course, yesterday, April 18th, we had 1.2 inches of snow at TF Green. On April 28th and 29th in 1987, 1.1 inches of snow. So that was actually the last time we had an inch or more of snow this late in the year. And then May 1st, 1909, remember that one? 1 inch of snow. So yes, it can happen, just not very often. Easton's Beach in Newport this morning, not showing any snow. In fact, we didn't really pick up any snow at the south coast yesterday. Most of that was held inland, but we are seeing some blue skies with those breezes starting to get going. The breezes will take a while to gather momentum today. Looking at blue skies here from the hurricane barrier in Providence, and our numbers are still rather chilly. 28 in Taunton, 28 Chepachet, 31 in Smithfield. Not only do we have these cold temperatures, we still have a layer of snow on the ground here in northern Rhode Island. 30 in Richmond, 32 in Westerly, Narragansett 31, 37 Newport, 40 on Block Island. So if you are heading out early, maybe on that early morning walk or jog, and you're in northern Rhode Island, bring the sunglasses because you know the effect with the sunshine off the snow can be quite bright. You don't want to forget the shades for that. 31 is your temperature from our weather station in Cumberland, 37 in Tiverton. So our breezes are out of the west at 6 miles an hour in Providence, 3 in Newport. We're calm in Westerly, 9 on Block Island. So it's the type of day where you'll get those wind gusts today, but not until later in the day. That's why we don't have any wind gusts on this map right now. Our high pressure continues to build in from the south today. It's going to send in those gusts from the southwest. Notice this front stretching across the Great Lakes. As that sweeps through overnight into tomorrow, a center of low pressure essentially branches off of that, and most of that I think will miss us. So let's watch how that plays out. This is this afternoon through this evening. Here comes that front, but notice how most of that precipitation breaks up overnight through tomorrow morning. By tomorrow morning, notice how we do have some showers, but most of these stay to our east. It doesn't mean we couldn't get a sprinkle or two, but I think the best chance of seeing some rain would be New Bedford, points east out towards the Cape Cod Canal, and then overnight tomorrow night into Tuesday we dry conditions out again before a chance of thunderstorms moves in on Tuesday. Today, 55 by noontime, 60 at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Do not forget about those gusts of around 25 or 30 from the southwest during the afternoon. This evening, not as cool as last night with temperatures sliding back through the low 50s and then eventually the 40s for overnight low temperatures. So tomorrow, I'm going to give you mostly cloudy skies, a shower here or there. I think most of our area does end up rain-free for a good part of the day. Chance of some thunderstorms. Some of these could be strong coming through on Tuesday, so we're going to really have to keep an eye on that. Behind those storms on Wednesday, colder and drier, 49, and then cool and unsettled towards the end of the week. You can always get updates on the WPRI 12 weather app. I just posted our weather blog and a Weather Now video. You can check that out right now on the app.